Hello and welcome back to my channel. So this is just a quick video just to show you which fonts I use for the kids cake toppers. The first font I'll show you is called Ocean BT. I use this for my Paw Patrol cake toppers. And the second font is called Walt. So that's for all my Disney cake toppers. Then we have Barbie, so obviously that's for any Barbie cake toppers. And lastly we have the Super Mario, and that's for all my Super Mario cake toppers. Like I said, that was a very quick video. You can find all these fonts on thefonts.com. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.